Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Midwest Safety. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a routine TSA screening slowly turns into a tense airport encounter after officers begin dealing with an extremely agitated woman at the checkpoint. And the longer the interaction goes on, the more obvious it becomes that keeping this situation calm is going to be a challenge. The breakdown starts now.
What is it about? I need to go home to my grandma.
She's been drinking too.
Yes! Take my ID! Like, I have done shit to the motherfucking Americans.
Watch your mouth.
No.
No?
No. I didn't do any, I didn't swear at
Really?
any of these.
I've asked you, please do not use profanity.
Yeah, right away you can tell something feels off here. Officers are trying to keep this calm, but the way she's reacting this early on already tells you this encounter probably isn't staying simple for very long.
Tracker, can we please just get me through the motherfucking line so I can get to my motherfucking flight? Are you paying for my flight when I miss it? Are you paying for my flight when I miss it?
Now this is exactly the kind of behavior that immediately puts airport security on alert. She's acting extremely erratic, and in a TSA checkpoint, that's something officers have to take seriously fast. Airports operate under stricter security rules than most public places, so once someone starts causing a disruption or refusing to stay under control, the situation can escalate very quickly from a simple screening into a law enforcement encounter.
My grandma!
My name's Officer Ronnie.
No, I swear to God.
Listen to me.
Officer Ryan.
Ronnie.
Nikki about to be the last one you remember.
All right, Nikki.
Let me out of the line. I just need to go home to my grandma.
You're gonna get
I'm
this.
not a terrorist. Check my shit.
Nikki.
You look like I got a bomb. I just want to get home to my grandma.
Go ahead.
What the f? Get me home. I just want to get home to my grandma.
Man, alcohol in airports just never mix well. The way she's acting right now already has officers thinking this situation could go sideways fast, and if she keeps this up, she's probably not making that flight home.
I'm not trying to bomb the f***ing airplane. I'm not trying to transport drugs. I just want to see my grandma for the last time. Yo, you.
Are you gonna take a breath? Take a breath.
Yo, my grandma's dying as we speak.
Nikki.
My grandmother's dying.
Nikki.
You want me to take a breath?
Nikki.
Yo, I just want to go home and see my grandma.
You're gonna.
Tripping. I haven't done
listen to me.
anything wrong.
Man, I always find that part weird. Somebody causes a scene, officers step in, and suddenly it turns into, I didn't do anything. At that point, the behavior is already speaking for itself.
Do you want to go?
Deodorant. A toothbrush.
Please.
What have I done wrong? My grandma dies on your watch, motherfucker. My grandma dies on your watch, motherfucker. Yo, I just want to see my grandma one last time. Ma'am, please.
Nikki.
Ma'am, please. My grandma is the only thing that means anything to me. Please help me.
What time does this
She's the
plane
only
leave?
thing.
At this point, officers are really just trying to get her information sorted out and move this situation along. But the way she's reacting is making that a lot harder than it needs to be.
Where's
My
your
ID's in
paperwork?
your hand.
Sweetie, where is
Here's
your
my-
paperwork to
No,
fly?
my grandma's dying.
That's all right.
My grandma's dying.
That's good.
Speak.
I feel
Yeah,
bad.
that's
I'm
good.
sorry.
That's good.
You gotta
That's
act
good.
like a
Good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Where's your
That's
boarding
good.
pass? Where's your boarding pass?
Right here.
It's not, Nikki.
No, that ain't right. You have my fucking license in your hand.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you need to take a breath.
Do you want a statement signed that she's interrupting your thing?
Yo.
You can tell officers already knew she'd been drinking before this. Now they're basically letting her know it's obvious. And at this point, all they're asking for is something simple like the boarding pass. But even that's becoming harder than it should be.
Somebody's got to
My
let us know we can do
grandma's
that.
dying.
For disorderly.
My grandma's dying. Disorderly? No.
I can smell the alcohol in you from here.
The alcohol?
Stop.
He has my ID.
Yeah, but we're trying to figure out what we're going to do because you don't have a boarding pass.
I
You
have
need
a boarding pass. That's not true. I have a boarding pass.
Where's your boarding pass?
You got to give me your
You
stuff
got
to
a
fly,
boarding pass,
sweetie.
and you got to stop yelling.
But that's
But
not
you're
fair.
yelling.
Y'all been yelling at me.
Because you're screaming out. Listen, stop.
Now watch this. Officers are trying to help her get this situation sorted out, and while talking with her, they realize she's actually in the wrong terminal. At this point, they're still keeping things calm and trying to get her where she needs to go.
I feel baby grandma's done it. I don't want to hear about it no more. Get your boarding pass and get good to go.
Before they tell you that they don't want you on the plane, as long as you can show
They don't
them your
want me on the
no,
plane?
as long as you can show your boarding pass. I've been asking
I've
for
been
10 minutes.
trying, but
Then
y'all
you'll
been
get on the
screaming
plane.
at
Don't
me.
worry about it.
What airline you flying?
JetBlue.
JetBlue's not here. It's a different air. You got to go to a different terminal.
You're lying.
JetBlue hasn't flown here since October.
You're f***ing lying. You're playing. So I have to go to a whole nother terminal.
At this point, the officer's still trying to help her out and keep things calm, but you can tell her emotions are starting to take over the situation.
Can I get my license back to get over there?
If you want, we'll take over there. We're gonna walk you out. You're gonna walk out over here. You're gonna have to walk out here. We're gonna walk out. And get your I know that. Stop. It's 15. I understand that, but we're trying to help you out. So stop. JetBlue does not fly to this terminal.
They said terminal
No.
C.
This is A and B. This is A and B. This is not C.
Not near C.
Go in your C.
We're gonna help you if you just take a breath.
My grandma's gonna die while I'm sitting there.
Well, you should have thought about that.
You can feel the tone starting to shift here, because the way she starts going at the officer verbally comes out of nowhere, especially considering they've been trying to help her this whole time.
You know what? You suck a dry, you son of a.
Do it all the time.
Yeah, suck your grandma's dry. So talk about my grandma.
Well, you're
suck
acting like a fool.
dry.
You're acting like a fool.
I'm acting like
You're
a fool.
drunk and you don't know where you're going.
I'm acting like a fool.
Yes, you are.
Suck your own grandma's
All right, I
dry, you
will.
evil son of a bitch.
You.
Yeah, suck a dry, you son of a bitch.
Get into the stuff, you
So
drunk.
talk about my grandma, you son of a.
I didn't talk about you.
Yeah,
You're good.
talk about my.
Now you can feel the patience starting to run out here. Officers have been trying to keep this under control, but the way she's acting is pushing this encounter closer to a point she's probably not going to like.
Grandma.
This chat.
Hands down. Put your hands down.
Ow! Okay, that's okay, but you're not gonna beat on me. Okay,
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. Let go. Let go. Stop resisting.
You're breaking my arm. I'm not resisting.
Let go of your bags.
Let go of your bag.
Let go of your bags.
Yo, what the f? You hit me. Yo, look it.
Get up.
Look at what they just did to me.
What started as officers trying to calm the situation down ultimately ended with Nikki being taken into custody after the encounter continued escalating during the arrest process. Authorities later confirmed she was facing multiple charges, including resisting an officer with violence, battery on law enforcement, and disorderly conduct. Moments like this show how quickly public disturbances can spiral once emotions completely take over and communication breaks down. Even in situations where officers are initially trying to help, repeated escalation can quickly shift the focus toward gaining control of the scene and protecting everyone involved. How do you think this situation was handled once the encounter reached this point? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.